तत्र अधस्तात् कोटरे कपिञ्जलो नाम चटकः प्रतिवसति स्म. In that tree only, below of that tree, one parrot is living. The parrot's name is Kapinjala. अथ सदैव अस्तमनवेलायाम् आगतयोः द्वयोः अनेक सुभाषितगोष्ठ्या देवर्षि ब्रह्मर्षि राजर्षि पुराणचरितकीर्तनेन च पर्यटनदृष्ट अनेक कौतूहलप्रकथनेन च परमसुखम् अनुभवतोः कालो वृजति. Myself and that parrot, that crow is telling, myself and that parrot are living in that tree. Whenever that in the evening, every day we are going in the morning outside from that tree, and we'll have some food and other things, and we'll come again in the evening. When we'll sit together, that time in the evening, Tadaiva Sadaiva Astamana Velayam, in the evening, Agatayoho Dvayoho, when we are back to our place, that time we'll talk, we'll have some talks. What we'll talk? About Devarshis, or about Brahmarshis, about Rajarshis, Aneka Purana Charita Kirtaneja. Will have discuss about the some topics of Devarshis, Brahmarshis, Rajarshis, or some Puranas, or some Paryatana Drishta Kautuhala, Aneka Kautuhala Prakataneja. When we went to Rome in the morning, that time, if any incidents we have seen about that incidents, we'll have talk, and by this way we are passing our time every day. Like this, too much time went. अथ कदाचित् कपिञ्जलः प्राणयात्रार्थम् अन्यैः चटकैः सह अन्यं पक्वशालिप्रायं देशं गतः. Once, that Kapinjala parrot, he went outside with other parrots to get food for him. While roaming, he saw a green place which is holding the good rice at his field. In that field, he got some good rice and other things. यावन् निशासमये अपि सः न आयातः तावतहं सोद्वेगमनः तद्वियोगदुःखितः चिन्तितवान्. In the morning he went, but in the evening, night, till the night, he didn't return to his place. How he is returning every day. Then I thought, what happened to that parrot? Aho, Kim Kapinjalo Nayataha. Why this parrot not returned today? Kim Kenapi Pashena Baddha? Or that parrot have been caught by some many nests? Ata uta ahosvit kenapi vyapaditaha, or some hunter killed him. What happened to this person? Sarvatha yadi kushali bhavati tat mam vina na tishtati. If he is happy with his life, he is alive, then he will not stay without me like every day. Evam me chintayatah bahuni ahani vyatikrantani. Underline the word bahuni aha chintayato me bahuni ahani vyatikrantani, because it is one important RC for you people. Like this, so many days gone. ततश्च तत्र कोटरे कश्चित् शीघ्रगः नाम शशकः अस्तमनवेलायाम् आगत्य प्रविष्टः. In that same place, in the evening, one rabbit came and he stayed in that place. Instead of the parrot, rabbit stayed in that place. मयापि कपिञ्जलनिराशत्वेन निवारितः. I also not said to that person. I not told anything because no one, my friend was not there. So I thought one more person who is living, let them live. Like this I thought, and I kept quiet. अथ अन्यस्मिन् हानि कपिञ्जलः शालिभक्षणात् अतीव पीवरतनुः स्वम् आश्रयं स्मृत्वा भूयोपि तत्रैव समायातः. Next day only, that parrot, he returned to his old place by having some good personality, because that parrot eaten too much good food. By eating that, he will become very strong, and he returned to his place. अथवा साधु इदमुच्यते न तादृक् जायते सौख्यम् अपि स्वर्गे शरीरिणां दारिद्र्येभिः यादृक् स्यात् स्वदेशे स्वपुरे गृहे. Or some subhashita that crow told, because why he returned again back to his place, that parrot? Because न तादृक् जायते सौख्यम् अपि स्वर्गे शरीरिणां. When after the death of our these persons, they will not feel happy in the Swarga also, because daridrebihi yadrik syat swadeshe swapure grihe. What happiness they feel in their own house, if it is a rich one or it is a poor one, what happiness they feel in their home, that much happiness they will not feel in the Swarga heaven also. So he returned. Like this he expressed his view about the returning of that parrot. Okay, we'll see next part in next class. Okay, thank you.